Hi, in this video we'll have a look at a simple concept called the middleware. Okay, so middleware is not a new thing. It's there in other languages like other web frameworks like Java and other things where we call that as a filters. Okay, or AOP sometimes we call that as. Okay, you want to do something cross-cutting and before the request goes to the actual handler. Okay, all the request. That's the place where this kind of filters happen. Filters is nothing but a simple function which takes three parameters. One is the request, response, and the next value. Okay, so here you can do whatever you want to do it and call the next function. It's like I have modified, I have done with something, you pass it. Okay, even from here, if you want to return, you can return somewhere without doing it. Okay, when do I return without doing anything? Let's assume you are doing a admin page or a authorized page where the things has to be validated and then only it has to be passed, or else it should not be allowed. We can do this. Or else let's assume you have a site-wide encryption, you want to do it in a common place. Okay, this will work. Or here I have used like a logging. So this is another thing where for every request I want to log something. Like here I have just logged some message. Instead of that I can go for a request values. Okay, like that I can log, and after logging it I can pass it to the next guy. And this is how it works. For example, in Express we have hundreds of middlewares. Okay, not only Express, sorry. In Node we have hundreds of middleware which could do different things. Let's go and check it out. Like npm search middleware. If I do it, it goes and searches it. See, lot of middleware is there. Okay, let's pick few things. For example, connect is one of the popular middleware. And then body parser. This one we use left and right in all the places. Okay, this for passing the JSON data. Okay, and cross-site origin, csurf. Okay, error handler. So these are the common cookie session, straightaway understandable middlewares which we have it. Okay, so in this case I have a normal logging function which is part of the thing, and here I have defined the function. To use the function you have something called app.use. We have an app, right? So in that .use there is a function, and pass the function. That's all. And one more important thing you have to notice is the sequence of the calling. For example, if I put it down here, so what happens is comes here and first this handler gets it, and then it solves it like in a catch block. Okay, so you have to appropriately place the middleware so that it does its job properly. Okay, let's go back and run the stuff. Now I'm just started the thing, and let's go and refresh it. So my page is hit. If you see here, my logging is done. Okay, so I can even log what is the request came, from whom came, what is the path, all those things I can put it from the request and then print it. Okay, that's what the middleware does it. Thank you friends, bye bye.